Assalamu alaikum. Microphone in 60 seconds by Saad Ali Sayed, Network and Visual Administrator. A microphone is a device that translates sound vibrations in the air into electronic signals and scribes them to a recording medium or over a loudspeaker. Microphones enables many types of audio recording devices for purposes including communications of many kinds as well as music, vocals, speech and sound recording. A microphone is an input device. It sends information to the computer. For example, when it is used to record music or sound, the information recorded is stored on the computer in response to play in the future.